In today's video, I will walk you through how to check archived chats on Telegram. Your archived chats are still saved in your account, and you can access them whenever you need them. In this tutorial, I'll show you where to find the Archive section and how to open your archived conversations. First, open up your Telegram. Take a look at your main chat list on the left side. If you don't see anything at the top, don't panic. Go to your search bar or your top chat and scroll all the way up past your most recent messages and pinned chats. Boom, right there, above your top conversation, a folder labeled Archived Chats will slide down into view. It stays hidden until you pull that list down. Once you click into that Archived Chats folder, you'll see every single conversation you've tucked away. If you want to pull a chat back out to your main inbox so it's easier to find next time, just right-click on the chat row. A menu will pop up giving you a few options. Click on Unarchive, and it instantly snaps right back to your regular chat feed. You can also pin chats inside the archive if you want to keep them tucked away but organized.
And just like that, your archive is fully under control. If this quick walkthrough made your life a little easier, hit that like button and drop a comment down below if you have any other Telegram desktop questions. See you in the next one.